Welcome back to another episode of Automotive Insight. Today's vehicle is a 2011 Acura TSX 2.4 liter. Customer states the check charging system warning message has popped up, so let's check it out. I got the engine running, 12 volts. We'll do a couple quick checks. Forehand. That's source voltage. 5. All that seems fairly normal. So we deem the alternator faulty. We'll disconnect the negative cable. It's a 10 millimeter. So I'm going to remove the coolant reservoir, and we're just going to set it to the side. We'll just, right there's a good spot for it. Remove the serpentine belt. It is the tensioner is below the top pulley here. It is a 14 millimeter. Okay, there's a harness clip. We're going to leave the B plus terminal. When the alternator is out, we'll maybe see if we can just get to that a lot easier. We're going to remove the lower alternator bolt. It is a 14 millimeter. Next, we'll remove the upper alternator bolt. It is a 12 millimeter. Pull our alternator forward, and we should be able to get to the B plus terminal now. B plus terminal is a 10 millimeter. We should be able to remove the alternator. Give it a wiggle. See if we can't pry it up a little bit. It's in there kind of snug. There she blows. Whee. Got our new remanufactured from Honda. The squeezy device where the bolt goes into is already pushed in, so it's ready to install. Okay, so we got the alternator just sitting in place. We'll put our B plus terminal back on. We'll just put the top bolt in loosely. All right, we'll go ahead and put in our lower alternator bolt. We'll tighten our upper alternator bolt. Plug in our connectors. This clip. Next, we'll put the serpentine belt on. Put our coolant reservoir back into place. We'll connect our negative cable. All right, well, that's going to wrap up the Acura. There's nothing fancy about this alternator job. The alternator costs $507 retail. And it calls for about an hour to install it. So anyway, hopefully this video helps. I may not have all your answers. Hopefully it had some. That being said, I'll see you on the next one.
Probably won't be away. Call yourself an Uber
Rock on to Electric Avenue.